Hey everyone, Rick Webster here. In this short video series, we'll be talking about Sealoc's exclusive weatherproofing services, and today I'll share a bit about what we do and why our service is so unique. To begin, there are different levels of weatherproofing that can be done on components. To keep things simple, we'll talk about circuit boards, and I'll put all of this on a scale of 1 to 10. On that lesser effective end of the scale, you'll find solutions such as silicone, epoxy resin, and various other topical-only type treatments. In most cases, these treatments are actually only applied to certain areas of a circuit board, like the integrated circuit chips, leaving the rest vulnerable to corrosion and premature failure. There are other cases where about 90% of the circuit board is coated. This has become increasingly rare in the past few decades. Towards the middle end of the scale, and as cost goes up, you'll find a process called gas deposition. With this type of treatment, components are placed in a vacuum chamber and a gaseous mixture is passed back and forth over the surface of a device. For the most part, we can also classify this as a topical-only treatment. At Sealoc, we use a proprietary full immersion conformal nanocoating process, which if using that same scale of 1 to 10 would put us right about at a 9. At the very top of that scale is a substance called parylene, which is a dielectric polymer-based coating which is also applied in a specialized vacuum chamber. This is traditionally limited to aerospace, military, and specialized instances. But the parylene process is far too expensive for most applications. As a bit of a history lesson, Sealoc's nano solution was originally based on a corrosion and water-resistant formula designed by NASA to protect their electronics and other metal materials from the corrosive effects of the ocean, the burned rocket fuel, and other contaminants that would cause failure from corrosion. Not a good thing when you're orbiting Earth in a vacuum. We used that NASA formula and have worked with our laboratories for over 7 years to make major improvements on its initial design, leading to the best conformal nanocoating solution the world has ever seen. So how does all of this work? Unlike some of our competitors that either don't treat their circuit boards or use a less effective topical spray, Sealoc's conformal nanocoating treatment process is very, very unique in that we utilize a full immersion process. You see, any product that we treat is fully submerged in our liquid nano solution. It's then agitated and later baked on using a specialized process. During that nanocoating process, that liquid solution conforms to the board and then transforms into microscopic nanotubes. These nanotubes are engineered by our labs to allow nitrogen and oxygen to pass through, which by the way makes up about 99% of our atmosphere. But water and other corrosive molecules are just too large to fit through those holes. This not only protects the circuit board from contamination and corrosion, but it also allows it to breathe naturally, preventing overheating, which is one of the leading causes of failure for printed circuit boards. The result is that our conformal nanocoating solution forms a virtually invisible, durable, microscopic barrier that protects delicate electronics from water, moisture, humidity, dust, salt air, acids and bases, petrochemicals, and more. What's more unique is that that same corrosion-resistant barrier also protects all of the connection points too, such as HDMI inputs, USB inputs, audio connections, Ethernet connections, and more, while still allowing electrical connection. We call this thrust connectivity. You see, virtually all other treatment types are a dielectric, and a dielectric cannot conduct electricity. And it means those connection points that I just talked about have to be masked off and left untreated. Ultimately, that will become the first failure point in that circuit board. And that's why we're so unique. We treat 100% of the circuit board. But here's the kicker. Our conformal nanocoating services aren't just limited to electronics. Virtually any product that's susceptible to corrosion can be treated. In fact, many manufacturers, dealers, and consumers alike send us a variety of products to help treat and prevent from corrosion or premature failure. Our weatherproofing services are affordable and fast, and we offer them for everybody. To find out more about our unique weatherproofing services, give us a call at the number below or click the link in the post. Thank you.